Hey guys, have you ever had a clock like this and you have to manually set the time? Well, today I was gonna make a clock using GPS. It's gonna use a GPS module, and for the display, I'm gonna use these mini 7-segment displays. They're actually the world's smallest 7-segment display. And they're just a standard dip package. So they're like the same size as a chip. So you could be like in the middle of the woods, and this clock would read the correct time. Okay, so first I'm gonna start by soldering this board here. I'm gonna solder the Max 7221 on there like that, and then I'm gonna put these pin headers. They're actually called machined headers, and that's gonna be for our bubble displays to plug into. They look like this. They're a dip package, and they're gonna plug into these headers. And then once I solder those, I'll wire them together like this. And then the bubble displays will mount on the pin headers. So I just finished soldering all the wires for the cathodes. Hey guys, so I finished my GPS clock, and there's the bubble displays, and right now it's getting the time over GPS, but here's the bubble display. They're really small, they're a dip package, and they're actually the same size as an op amp, and what's cool about them is this is the only 7-segment display that you can press into a breadboard like this, and it only occupies that much, so they're very small. But here's the clock. So you can see the display, it's really small. Here's the driver chip, and then this resistor here sets the current for the segments, and here's a capacitor for the chip. And that's what the displays look like up close. But you can see why they're called bubble displays, because they look like bubbles. Here's the front side. And then underneath here is all the wires. These 2 wires here are for the GPS. These 3 right here are SPI. So that's my real-time clock.